trip out to the tropics. Oh yeah, yeah, shawty, you know you poppin'.
It's your girl Shalon, and I'm back at it again. Thank you for coming to my video. And before we get into it, please like, please subscribe. So I'm deciding to revamp my YouTube channel, be more consistent, have better content. Just do this for real, like a business. What I mean by revamping it, to give more details, is posting once a week, creating more videos that you guys will like, making it more cute for me, because sometimes when I be looking at these videos, I be like, it's cringy. I always wanted to explore the world, explore the continent, explore the states, explore my city even. But I also want to do it with you guys. I want you guys to learn as I'm learning. And I think it'll be fun. So why not come with me in my little backpack? Because this is, you know, once in a lifetime. Other videos that I would like to include on my YouTube channel would be DIY videos, do it yourself, or, you know, DIY, do it yourself.
Well, duh.
No, that didn't make any sense. But hey, there's a lot of things that I like testing out just because I like exploring, like trying new things. So while I'm doing that, or while I'm traveling, I'll be, you know, making product reviews, because why not? And most of them won't be sponsored because I am a small YouTuber as of right now, but I do plan to grow. And in the meantime, I will be sharing my best reviews or best products to everybody. Also, with these story times, I just plan to make sure I'm editing more entertainingly, or, you know, editing in a way where it's just more entertaining for you guys to watch. With the story times, because I have more to share, I will be doing these story times wherever I'm at in the world. But I will make sure that I am editing up to par, to make it more entertaining for you guys to watch, to make it more fun to watch. Because I know a lot of people, you know, have videos that's, you know, completely and the way they edit, the way they, you know, post the video, make it look cute, makes the video 100 times better. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll be learning as I go, but as of right now, I will be posting content every single week of the month, and so on and so on. And once I, you know, become a championess, I'll be posting more throughout the week. So again, if you mind, please like and please subscribe, and there will be more videos to come.
Let's take a trip out to the tropics. Oh yeah, yeah, shawty, you know you poppin'.